Hi, it's Trisha from Huntress Habits, and I'm still finding bags and envelopes that I haven't opened. So I'm going to open some more with you today. So it's new to me right after this. If you've watched any of my videos before, especially the new to me ones, you know that I have no Michaels and I have no Joann's in this town that have a store. I have to go about 120 miles to get to one. So we shop at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, and we do have a Tuesday mornings. But in the process of setting up my new office, I found this wonderful bag. Now, I remember buying these, and they were all on clearance. And I walked to the store for one item, which you notice is not in this bag. Here we go. Lots and lots of spellbinders. I'm addicted. I know that. And I remember exactly when I bought these. It was right after Dad had passed away, and I just needed an outing. And so this was my outing. Now, I'm not going to open each one of these for you today, and I'm sure since it's been 2 months ago, but you never know. Some of these may still be hanging in that clearance section at Hobby Lobby, so you might want to check it out. I know our Hobby Lobby marks things a little bit later than some others. So this one's kind of cool. I thought my grandkids would enjoy doing this one. I use the Cuttlebug, and if you've not already heard, it's on sale right now. I believe $59.99. So you might want to check that out. It might be $59. I'm always looking. When I found this one, I'm always looking for things to put on the front of cards. So I really like that. 99 cents, a cut and an emboss. Notice I said cut and emboss. It cuts out the little rose petals, which I think this is a brand new item myself because I had not seen it before. But you never know. And I'm a sucker for those that have stamps and the dies together. This is a $24.99 Hobby Lobby price down to $2.49. Could I have passed that up? No, I don't think so. Here's another one with all the dies. And this one had all the dies also. It's right down here. I love to use color pencil and marker on things like that. Then we've got this one. Now I did notice that I will have to fussy cut these if I want them, but I probably will just stamp them directly on the paper. Did you see what that is? It's a pretzel, and you're going to put mustard on it. Then this one, Stampin' Dies. And this one. It makes me want to go open up the website and look at all of their clearance online. I'm spellbound, spellbinders addicted. I know. Okay, let me set this aside. And in my stack of trying to find things, I also found these. Now, I may have already showed them to you. I don't know. But this was August dies for the month. This is the large one, and this is the small one. And I'll be using those on some cards to show you what to do with them. Here's September's. Now, this is a subscription. So it comes to me whether I order it or not. I don't have to worry. Now, I don't know if I'm opening up October's or November's. Have no idea. Because I couldn't find a date. Okay, it is October's. And let's see what all they have on them. Oh, that's the truck, the back of the pickup truck. And you can put a tree or pumpkins. There's the fender. Or it could be the front of the truck. That's the grill. I do believe. How cool. But that just tells you how busy I've been. There's all the pieces. Oh, that's so neat. It shows you an example on the back. That's the large one. And here's the small one. Happy fall. I need to get busy. I got to get this house in order. I know it'll never be in order, but it'll be better. Okay, so this must be November's. So I am looking at, oh, they're packaging different. Oh, how cool. Did not know that. I like this. This is a box and a Christmas tree. Some letters. This is the small one. I see a reindeer. Let's just look on the back. Oh, it says Happy New Year. Awesome. Okay, I don't know who's getting Christmas cards this year and who's not, so they may get Happy New Year cards instead. This is awesome. So you can do it with the positive way and the negative way. And then look, you've got all these numbers. So you can do stencils like, or do an advent board with them. Oh, this is awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, of course, 10. Not sure what that is. There's a 1, 2. Oh, that was an exclamation mark. And then put it in the little boxes. I see. This is awesome, guys. Now, where am I going to put all these? Let me show you. I put them in a binder, which I need to get 2 binders. And I use magnetic sheets. And I put some board on the backing of it. Nothing real thick, just craft board. And I stick them together. Now I use a 2-sided board, and I need, see, there's my Cuttlebug ones. And then in the back of it, like this was the one for, I have to look now, July. And I put what it is in the back. See? So I won't be able to do that with these others. Well, I can use this. I can use this side to tell me what it is. That'll work. But that's the way I do them. So now if they're starting this, though, this may be just easier to leave them in here, stuck to this board, and stick them back each time. I don't know. I like my magnets. Okay, we'll have to see. But anyway, I'm going to do a video on this soon. You've probably seen it done 1,000 times. But, you know, 1,001 never hurts. I might do something a little bit quicker, easier, cheaper, whatever the case may be. So, join me on that video. And let's do one other thing before we leave here. Let's go to my webpage. I wanted to show you something. You can see how long ago it's been since I even had a featured post on my regular blog. You know, I have a YouTube, but I also keep a blog. And the website is right up here at the top, and then I think at the end I have it for you also. But if you want to contact me, all you have to do is click on Contact. Might give it a minute with this internet. And there I am, me and my chickens. And just send me an email. Okay, huntresshabits@gmail.com. Then I have a gallery of some of my photography. Then I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I have website for my Couture store and my Young Living oils. And then on my links, I have the other link to the blog. But I also have some other things that you could go to. But if you just click on links, let's see if I did that right. Like I said with this website. Oh, did you notice you can chat with me also? I don't usually start up the conversation. I wait until you do. Okay, if you just clicked on links and didn't go to some of the subcategories, if you go right down here and click on Spellbinders, anything you purchase from Spellbinders, after you have clicked on Use My Link, I get a very small commission on. So I'd appreciate that if you would do that, because I'm going to have to sign in right now. Well, maybe tonight when I've got less strength. But I'm going to have to sign in. Whoops! I missed it. If you logged into that, you get another 15% off your first order if you've never bought from the website. But if you go in here and shop, I think it's a drop-down menu. Look at clearance. That's my favorite place to go. Stamps up to 70% off, up to 50% off, 30% off. And you know, there's other people around that might need to know this. So be sure and share this video. If you're wanting to join the dies of the month, they also have a card kit. You can have the opportunity right here. I save money by doing it with the large and small together. I think you save like $5 that way. So anyway, use my links, guys. I also have links to, oh, I may have clicked it too much. Oh, it took you to a new page. I have links to BLICK, Creative Bug. I have it to Scrapbook, Dharma, Crafts, CRICUT, Sharacel, Gina K, SIZZIX, Nuvo, Heartfelt, and Crafters Depot. If you're not familiar with this product, you need to learn about it. Get that stickiness off very easily with this. Okay, but be sure and use my link. There's also a link to an Amazon store and CRICUT links. I'm hoping soon as I get a few more subscribers to YouTube, that I can join the CRICUT world and get a discount code for you. So cross your fingers, share my videos, and help me with that, please. So, enough for today. Oh, you can also join me at Patreon. Enough for today, guys. I will see you in the next video. I'm not sure which one it'll be. If it'll be a CRICUT video, a Couture video, or just a hint for your craft room, because I am doing some reorganizing. But I will see you in the next one. Have a great day, and till then, happy crafting.